Yo guys, what's up? Jonas here, and I'm bringing back to you the working method. This is it, I finally found it. The way to fix the cannot download corrupted data update error on PS4. I've been having this error lately for 2 days and I haven't been able to update Fortnite on my PS4, but I finally got able to find a fix which will work. Like if it worked for me, the person who gets the most problems on his PS4, it's gonna work for you. So the fix is pretty simple. As you can see right here, when I'm checking for the update, resuming it, I tried stopping it, checking for update again, and stopping the update, rest mode, everything, nothing worked for me. But I found a fix that worked, and it's actually very simple. All you have to do is to change your Wi-Fi connection. For example, if you're connected on your Wi-Fi at home, you're gonna go ahead and change that to your personal hotspot. Right there, I got the update to about 350 megabytes, so I don't consume a lot of megabytes because megabytes are very expensive where I live. So I cannot really do a very big update. So I got about like 350 megabytes left. If this method that I'm going to show you right now doesn't work, make sure you delete Fortnite and then you go back to your library and go ahead and install Fortnite again. But you're not going to need that, to be honest. So go ahead and turn on your mobile hotspot and turn on your mobile data connection, and from there connect your PS4, then press resume the update, and the update should resume very fine, and you will be able to do it. It's that simple. As you can see right here, I connected to my personal hotspot. It's still 1.93. I had 347 megabyte and I'm updating them, and everything is going just fine, and in a few seconds, as you can see, I was able to finally finish the update. So yeah, leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Peace.